Hey, what's going on YouTube? Happy Leap Day, whatever that means. Here we have the best looking reverse head and shoulders I've seen in a long time on a weekly chart on silver as it reverse. Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, reverse head and shoulders bouncing straight off that 8, bouncing straight back into above our 34. And I know it's a Monday, I know it's start of a week, and we got to stay above this line for the week. But here we have it. We have a breakout and a bullish retracement back to support. Just perfect. No one is talking about the reverse head and shoulders on the weekly charts. So I hope you guys see how powerful this is going to look. This is, in my opinion, the best time to buy into support after a bullish retracement on a weekly trendline break. I know it's the beginning of the week. I know we have to stay up, but this thing is on fire. Okay? It bounced so nicely off that 8, coming back into this right shoulder. We need to complete this right shoulder. The major breakout is at 16. We need to close above 1550. 1550. We need to close above 1550. Now, if this happens real quick, there's no telling how explosive it's going to be. But I imagine a couple weeks here, it's going to come up and then, break a flat top break on the 16. This is the perfect time to buy silver. It's beautiful. All right. Gold. Here's a 5-hour chart. Was wondering if it was going to break down. What's going on? It held, and we got this nice little hammer right here. See that hammer? Pretty nice. So here's our line of support, right? Well, let me make sure this is right. Okay, so we got this line here. Touched it once, made a new pattern, touched it again, went into resistance, backed off, but made this nice little hammer right there. Beautiful looking hammer, opened, break a previous highs, and then hasn't looked back. Breaking previous lows, previous lows, previous lows. Now it's above all our lower resistance lines, acting as support now. So we gotta stay above that. But on a daily, as I mentioned before, Greg Manarino mentioned that this is a high flying pennant, which I would agree. But here's the thing: no one is talking about this major bottom starting back in August, July, making the left shoulder, the head, reverse head and shoulders. This thing never made a tight consolidation back into support. It has stayed up high flying, and now it's ready to take off again. This thing is going to blow up. Okay? Hope you guys can see that. No one is talking about the reverse head and shoulders on the bottom. The closest pattern analysis was Greg Manarino on a high flying pennant. Remember the morning star pattern on a monthly. Look at the monthly. We are above, closing above. As the month closes out, tomorrow will be a new candle. This thing is going to open up above our 34 monthly moving average. 34 monthly moving average. What a treat. I hope you guys are excited. I am so happy that this thing's going to turn around so fast. No one's going to see it coming. Here's another reverse head and shoulders on copper. It has tried to break once. It is going to keep climbing, keep climbing. We need to get this 8 above the 13, but a previous high break is at, what was it, 13, 214. Previous high break. This flat top right here. It is ready to go flying. Only thing on copper is it is let me take it back. This thing was brutalized. So what are we looking at? If this reverse head and shoulders on copper on a weekly chart breaks out, we could be looking at a higher low. We have resistance at 220. We have resistance at 240. Going back to a weekly chart, you can see that 220 and that 240. Okay? Copper, I believe, is making a bottom here. Reverse head and shoulders everywhere. Copper, silver, gold. So there you go. Gold is very, very strong. There's so much about this chart. The angle of the reverse head and shoulders tells me that this thing is going to just fly. Silver, on the other hand, it's more of a down sloping, but once that 16 breaks, watch out, because here is the monthly chart on silver. We can see that 18, no problem. Previous lows up in this area, close above here on a monthly, so we might take another month to get there, but silver is absolutely ready on a monthly chart. Gold on the monthly chart, we already know this. The morning star, this thing is taken off. What a treat. I hope you guys are excited. Buy as much as you can. I'm certainly trying, because I believe this is the bottom. This is it. Confirmation is coming tomorrow as the new candle opens on these charts. Thanks for watching. Let me know what's going on out there. Please share, like, get the word out. Like I said, no one is talking about the bottoms on these as reverse head and shoulders. The closest thing was Greg Manarino coming up on a daily chart, showing us a high-flying pennant. Long-term charts are the key. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Also, donate if you can to my channel or PayPal. Open up yourself a prepaid Bitgold account. Put some money in there. You can save and spend in gold. Beware of the negative interest rates. It's coming. Gold and silver are going to kill the banks, especially silver. Silver is the Achilles heel of the bankers. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.